Today we're making this drink. Not only is
It's going to be
awesome,
super refreshing.
and it's pretty sexy looking.
Look at that. Who do you think did that?
Welcome to Comment Cocktails.
We're going to make you a drink today.
Yep. That's it.
And this is
Who's
Ian,
Okay, there we go.
Dan,
Yep.
and Derek.
Oh, sweet.
Derek's now going to take over and tell you all about what we're going to make. Well, Ian makes it.
Is that what they're
And I will sit here quietly and wait for the drink.
so that I can spoon feed it into my hole.
That's right.
Be good.
I will be here for the tasting.
All right, I pulled this from liquor.com. We've never done it before. It's called the Gin Gin Mule. It's kind of like a mule, but with gin, so it's interesting. I don't think so. Okay. Oh, maybe we have.
I've had this before. I don't know if we've done it, but
maybe we have. I don't know.
I said we were drinking mules like
somebody
crazy.
in the chat room, Google and see if we've done a Gin Gin Mule. But a Gin Gin Mule is going to be this: an ounce of simple syrup, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, mint sprig, 1 3/4 ounce of London dry gin, 1 ounce of ginger beer, and then you're going to garnish it with an additional mint sprig. In a mixing tin, we're going to muddle the simple syrup, lime juice, and mint sprig, as seen here in front of the camera, as everybody expects to see.
Notice I'm not bearing down on it.
Yeah, you don't want to tear the shit out of mint, man.
You just want to burst it a little bit.
Yeah, it's like you're just tickling it. You're just giving it a little lick.
Are you tickling it?
You don't want to jam it. You gotta get it excited.
Let me see.
I don't think it.
Oh yeah,
you gotta get it excited and a little wet. Then you're gonna add gin and the ginger beer and ice.
Well, gin, and then you're gonna shake it.
Yeah, then
this
ginger beer is
I don't like the way they word this, and that's probably what they're doing.
Didn't you write it?
I can't. No, it's from liquor.com. I just did what
Did you read it when you copied it?
Yeah, but it's liquor.com. Liquor.com is bigger than me. They
trust no one.
Trust no one. No one's bigger than you.
Add gin.
Give yourself some credit.
Add ice. Shake it. Add
Except
your
for both of
ginger beer. And you strain it into your Collins glass, your highball glass, Chicago highball glass, rawsdrinks.com. Use the coupon code homeschooling to save 15% until June 13th.
Yes.
Woo!
Nice.
All that happens. Then you're going to mint sprig that shit up for garnish. This year I'm doing garnishes. So
that's right. We got to step up the game.
That's what I'm doing.
Unless you get an orange slap on the side of your face.
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a lot of ice you got going on there. You're going to tumble that right in there, and the ice is just going to melt right down.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, these things create crazy seals.
He's professional.
Yeah, if they get cold enough, they really do.
So here's what I decided.
That's why I have an insulated one.
No, you have an insulated
Not
one
anymore.
pussy.
Oh, you should call a pussy by a girl.
Cold hands. Cold hands.
I don't want cold hands.
Oh, she did.
You don't like cold hands, do you?
She did that the other day.
Sometimes.
I did. I made fun of you the other day. I shook in the tin and I'm like, oh, my hands, they're so cold.
First time Jen's shook in a tin in the last 4 months.
4 months.
Probably true.
That's
I'll
right.
own it.
That's just because
I don't like cold hands either.
Making drinks for you.
So I gave him, because I got a bunch of extra. Oh, they're right here. So here's the shakers for Dan. Dan has a new little wet bar type thing in his new
Those
kitchen.
are to look at.
Right? And these match the bar.
Yes.
But he'll shake with the insulated ones that are in another cabinet. And these are just so you can see them.
Yes.
That's fucking weird.
Yeah.
Just saying. Look at that!
See? Look at that.
I like that mint and the way you wrapped it around like that. It looks like it's organic.
It's growing.
Now that's some... We're stepping the game up this year.
I don't even want to drink it.
It just landed like that.
Don't...
Dude, I don't even want to
I don't want to
drink
oversell it.
it. No, you know
Undersell yourself.
You got
People
this
are
shit.
always impressed. Yeah, set the expectations right.
No, this is
Don't lower
like,
that shit. You got
We're
it.
try to sell you, Ian.
Look, I'm putting this on Instagram.
Yeah, but don't you want people to
Whoa,
actually be
look at
impressed?
that.
They don't want to be like, oh, well, I just wasted $5.
No, we're starting much higher than 5. And I could care less once I have the money whether they think they wasted it or not.
What a responsible business owner.
It's minty
And
and
fine
then
print, no returns.
sour. Sweet.
Restocking fee,
It's a lot sweeter than I thought it
150%
was
of
gonna
sale
be.
price.
Yeah,
You pay for shipping.
it is a little sweet.
The gingerbread doesn't come across as much.
No, it's not as zingy as like the Darkest Stormy was.
It's tasty.
Darkest Stormy.
It's tasty.
Yeah, this is a little sweeter than. I don't know. I'm fine with it, but like, I wouldn't
a
have too
little
many. Yeah, it might just be from what we've been drinking. Maybe it's just our refined palate. or maybe it's not cold enough. I don't know. Like, maybe you have to pack that with like crushed ice and shit like a mule.
Crushed ice could be good.
I don't know. It's sweeter. I'm fine with it. I think that's going to go well for a lot of normal people. They're going to be like, oh yeah, that's perfect.
Oh yeah, people are gonna love it.
Well, it's
But-
going to dilute over time, too. If this is a warm drink, a warm weather drink, and you're drinking it outside, that ice is going to melt and be a little bit diluted.
You know what? Rather than even worry about any
You might
of
need
that,
some seltzer.
without changing it,
Could use some seltzer.
it could use some seltzer. So seltzer solves the problem, or additional gin. Like if you just kick
Hold
it
on,
up
let
to
me
2
put some
ounces
in
of
there.
gin. Oh shit! I'm like, okay. Oh, I see what you're doing there. That's my face.
It's good though. No, I mean, it's a great summertime drink.
I would definitely. I'm thinking if I was to make that at the pool, though, I would add some. I would just bring this out and right on top, because it's going to dilute some of the sugar. Maybe
You just put
maybe
less simple
both.
syrup in it.
Why would you add less simple syrup when you could add more gin?
Yeah. Well, because
you wanna
sweet.
get up?
This is the ginger beer sweet too.
Yeah, ginger beer it's got a shitload of sugar in it because it's got to offset like the spiciness of the ginger. And I've made it, and I know that it creates because you have to carbonate it. It's naturally carbonated, so you're using the gin or you're using the sugar to create carbonation.
You all right?
Everyone went into my eye. From the
You don't know how to drink it then.
Well, I'm trying not to get my lips on the thing, so I'm doing like, and it just splashed all up in there, and now I know how some people feel.
We don't know who.
Really?
Twice.
So this
Twice.
is explained.
Confirmed.
The drink has
You're
been
really number
defined
one.
as a Moscow Mule, but you change the gin to you change the vodka to gin to make it more interesting, and this is a good bridge
Into gin.
into gin for vodka drinkers. So when you
I woke myself up again.
build this to get your vodka drinkers away from vodka and into something more interesting like gin, and that's a Boodle's gin. We have a review of it. Hopefully, I
Watch
remember
it.
This.
No, it's probably like here.
It slides like
Yeah.
Yeah. So by now it's over here.
Yeah, there's a bunch of shit like over
it
here.
doesn't animate all the way across.
Leave your comments down here.
Well,
It types down there.
Yeah. Oh, speaking of comments, did I say last week? Peter Fastenau is our Patreon subscriber. You can go to patreon.com/TMC to support the show.
Peter.
Donate whatever you want. I'll take it, and it goes directly to me. If you decide, you know what, fuck that, I want something for the donation, then you can go to ostrix.com. You could use coupon code homeschooling. Save yourself 15% until June 13th to buy stuff like these Chicago highball glasses, cocktail bitters. We have the tea strainers in stock.
You want your bar to be all set by the time we can all go back.
No, you want it before then because you probably already fucking need a drink.
yeah, you gotta practice before. we
Well,
get
that's
going.
what I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
You get it now,
Yeah.
and then when everybody comes back, you're
The-
good like you're an expert bartender.
And if you're like, I really want to be an expert bartender, so during my time sitting at home, I've been building a script so that I can build a educational series on how to create cocktails at home. I'm gonna put it on like Thinkific or one of those sites that you can build. Like it's got quizzes, like a real educational. Like you take this
Damn.
class, yeah, it's like it's an online
Hell of
course.
a lot more ambitious than I am.
I've been watching
Hats
B
off to
movies
you.
while I work. I'm fucking sitting on my bed. That's what I've been doing at home.
No, I'm like,
Falling asleep holding my guitar.
I'm like, how do I monetize my stuff? Like, I've got 10 years worth of fucking knowledge. How do I fucking get it out and not give it away for free? Because YouTube's fine, but it's disorganized and everything. So wouldn't it be cool as if you just had all the information condensed down, simple, fast, and you could take your test, figure it all out, and then you get done and you're like, fuck, I'm a home bartender master now. I'm going to go make drinks for my friends because COVID ended.
Definitely.
With the hat is drinking too much. Yeah,
I think that's...
that's me. I'm thinking with the hat. I'm drinking
Really?
too much. Yeah.
You're drinking too much?
Apparently.
Wait a
Have you
minute.
had anything?
Who drank too much?
I think it's the first time watching there from the.
Coco. Where's Coco from?
Is that the Italian?
Italia, like.
Oh.
Italian. Italian, that's where I'm
That
from.
wasn't a New Hampshire, Massachusetts accent.
What is
From
That was a
Italian.
change.
Aperol Spritz.
Yeah, Aperol Spritz.
How
Aperol
old
Spritz.
are you? 18,
Or
20?
the Americano.
Let me do the ages.
Who's old? Who's
46.
18? Oh, no, I'm 18. 40. Who's 46,
45.
motherfucker?
How old am I? I'm 44 now. 1 plus 1. 41. 44. 45. 40.
You're 45?
I just turned
I
45.
thought you were younger than that, though.
No, I wish.
I thought you just turned 44 or something.
Oh, God.
I just turned 44. Where the fuck you been? Come on.
Yeah, I don't keep up.
What are you? You're 43.
No,
So, Coco, what's your
42.
drink?
no. Not yet.
He will.
What?
I'm 41.
Really? You're that much younger than we are?
This is the
End of
first time
November.
someone said that you were drinking and not
Yeah, I
me.
know. Usually, it's just I
I've
think I'm
never
just
seen
sleeping. I
that.
think I'm still recovering from my guitar nap.
Usually I'm the one that's like,
I woke
shit
up and I
house.
was like drooling and stuff. It was one of those naps.
Hey, that's good that you're the only Italian subscriber.
You're not the only Italian
good.
subscriber. I have metrics.
Oh, he's got metrics. But it's good. You're on here. It's awesome.
Wrap it up.
Oh my god!
All right.
Producer say this
We
show's
got trouble.
over. Sidebar, more videos down below. The bartender, awesome drinks, bartender starter kit. Said bartender twice. Go make yourself one of these drinks or any of the other drinks from this month. I think we're done for
Thank
the
you,
month.
Coco.
So we'll find something else to do next. That is it. We're teaching you how to drink.